Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Imran Afzal. This is IA English channel. It is first session of Ielts Vocabulary. If you have load of beautiful words, then you can confuse the world. Ielts examiner checks your grammar and your vocabularies. So learn vocabulary to make your English beautiful. So let's start our class. Ielts unique vocabularies. Number 1, idiom. If my memory serve me well, meaning if I remember correctly. अगर मेरी याददाश्त सही काम करती है. How we can use in sentence? If my memory serve me well, I was an obedient child of my parent. Good, very good. Examiner can ask you how was your childhood. So you can use this vocabulary in your sentence. Number 2. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every sad or difficult situation has a positive sign. हर मुश्किल और मसले का हल है. Sentence. I manage all my past problem because I didn't know that every cloud has a silver lining. In IELTS question, they can ask you, how did you solve your past difficulties? Number 3. Your Sunday best. Your best clothes. Unda libas शानदार कपड़े. Sentence. It is our tradition of weddings. All people wear their Sunday's best. IELTS question. How do people usually dress for wedding? So, number 4. After a fashion, to some extent, but not very well. थोड़ा बहुत, किसी हद तक. How we can use in sentence? I can cook food, but after a fashion. I used to cook some food when I was in the hostel. IELTS question. Can you cook some food? So you can use your own sentence for any type of vocabulary. Number 5. Paint the town red. To enjoy something. मज़े करना, किसी चीज़ से लुत्फ़ अंदोज़ होना, खुश होना. Sentence. I paint the town red in my leisure time with my friends or my family. IELTS question. What do you do in your free time? So you can use this idiom, paint the town red. Number 6. At the man about town. Meaning a man who frequently goes to parties, clubs, etc. वो आदमी जो हर वक्त महफिलों में जाना पसंद करता है. How we can use in the sentence? I am the man about town. If someone invites me to gathering, I do not miss the bus. I do not miss the bus. It is another idiom. It means मौका हाथ से जाने ना देना. So IELTS question, what they can ask you? Do you like parties? Number 7. To rule the roast. A person who is charge of a family or a group. घर का सरबराह जिसका सब कहना मानते हैं, कहा मानते हैं. In sentence, my family is small. Everyone follows my father's advice before doing anything new because he rules the roast. IELTS question. Tell me about your family. So you can use this idiom to rule the roast. Number 8. A square meal. बढ़िया खाना, अच्छा खाना. A good food, satisfying meal. Sentence. I have been fond of eating square meals since my child. मैं बचपन से अच्छे खाना खाने का शौकीन हूँ. Correct. IELTS question. What type of food do you like? So you can start your answer by this idiom. Number 9. The great outdoors. All outdoor space. Wild nature, peaceful place. बैरूनी खूबसूरती, पुरअमन जगह, कुदरती माहौल. So sentence, my hometown is not big. It is the great outdoors for those people who are living humdrum life in cities. Humdrum means एक ही जैसी ज़िंदगी गुजारना, same routine, to go to school or office and then come back to home, and there is no entertainment, no enjoyment, no holidays. So this is the meaning of a humdrum. So IELTS question, what they can ask you? Let's talk about your hometown. How is your hometown? So you can describe your hometown by using this vocabulary. Now number 10. Fashion forward. Tending to adopt new style quickly. Fashion की तरफ तेज़ी से नए अंदाज अपनाने का रुझान. Whenever new fashion comes, so people they adopt it. Fashion of hairstyle, fashion of shoes, fashion of different things which they wear. Sentence. Being a member of new generation, I am also fashion forward. IELTS question. Do you care about fashion? So you can use this vocabulary. So, my dear students, I hope you have learned new vocabularies and you can use in your IELTS test. So you can make your own sentences of these vocabularies. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.